Hello traders, and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're kicking off this Monday's trading with looking at the metals, in particular gold and silver. Silver's taken a bit of a dive, plummeting from the $26 region back down to $24, even under that, as we'll take a look at the charts shortly. Gold is holding its own above the $2,000 level once again. We've had a little bit of a choppy market price action in the last few trading weeks, especially since the last Federal Reserve interest rate decision, where we saw gold spike up to $2,080 approximately. So with these fresh new highs being put into place, are we looking to get back up into that region, or will there be a slow, consistent sell-off in the metal market? Well, the $2,000 area is something we're psychologically looking at, because if we do break that convincingly and prices start moving a little bit lower, then we could be opening up to the middle regions of the 1900 levels. So what do you think? Let me know if you're trading metals in the last couple of weeks and where the direction you think they're going. At the moment, though, if we look on the charts, we're seeing that, a fully fledged bearish divergence is coming into play here, where we saw this amazing top really start worrying a lot of traders, because we knew there was going to be a vast sell-off. We just didn't really see how much it would be. A lot of people would say we're going to bounce at the $2,000 region. We have kind of done that at the moment. If we point out $2,000, which is roughly about this particular line here, as you can see here, really good support in that area. But as you can see here, that the bearish divergence is coming into full swing. So we are expecting prices to start bottoming a little bit more than what they are doing. But if they do creep under 2,000, then we'll just be seeing the next levels here, roughly about the 1970 area, to see if they're going to actually start opening up new levels, and possibly then new supports and new resistance in that particular area as well. Excuse me. So let's just take a look on the 4-hour chart, though, because I just want to see, with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud, where we're realistically looking in the next few trading sessions. Well, as you can see here, very choppy market since the last breakdown of price action. But from the levels that I've just highlighted, as you can see here, very squeeze in this horizontal triangle here. Then we had another push up. Obviously, the Federal Reserve interest rate decision did have a big benefit on the price of gold action here. But then since then, as you can see here, a drop, a bounce, and then this choppy wave. So are we heading up for another point? Well, if we do break this thin layer of the Ichimoku cloud, we could be going back up to 2030, 2040 region in the next couple of days. But if we don't, then we could actually see a break at the 2000 level and then get back into this region here, roughly of about $20, $30 to the downside. So this is what we're realistically looking at in the next few trading sessions. But obviously, we'll see what the divergence is and the signals are for the next few days as well. Speaking of metals, though, we're just going to look on silver, because we have seen quite a price decrease in the last couple of trading days. I'll leave it on the 4-hour chart because it's a bit more easy to read, because as you can see here, we have had this very vast dynamic upturn here, consolidation, a double top nicely coming into fruition. But now, as you can see here, $2, just over $2 being taken off of silver, and this gives us the impetus that price might keep looking downwards as well. Let's just take a look at where we are heading, though, because at the moment, as you can see here, we've seen quite an incredible advance on silver in the last few trading weeks. This is only the beginning of March, so just a couple of months away. And we've seen quite a big move from the $20 area moving over $6, which isn't something that has really happened that often. But then we are nicely consolidating at the moment, and then the prices are falling a little bit lower. Let's just remove some of the drawings just so it's a bit easier to see. So after this consolidatory period here, where we saw this very restrictive double top, we are now moving to the downside. So this is quite a predictable move for silver. A lot of bears in the market at the moment, really starting to push price action lower. So if we can get another consolidatory move where we are now, we'll probably start seeing a slight move to the upside, but then obviously with that correction, we could start moving back down to $20 before we know it. So just keep an eye out if you are buying silver at the moment, just to keep your stops in, because we could be heading excuse me, for another downturn quite soon. So that's all from today. Thank you very much for joining me. Keep an eye on the metal market. Let me know what you're trading on as well. This video, as usual, we post on our Telegram and YouTube channels. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.